What's up, legends? I'm back with another. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, there we go. What's up, legends? I'm back with another video, and I am going to be playing Find the Cats. So, I guess start a cat. Ooh, easy. Of course, easy. I want the rainbow cat. Wait, let me see. I got the rainbow cat. Let me see. I'm broke. I already joined the group before I started, so might as well just go. I'm gonna try to beat this game because this game is too easy to beat. So, I guess let's get started. I don't mind the background. Ooh, let it go, cat. What the heck? Let me just these, I thought these were Lego bricks. Also, guys, let me feel like in a series because yeah, the series is getting pretty complicated. And I'm gonna be adding a lot of new characters. So, yeah. But yeah. You can also morph into the cats. If you guys want to play this game, it's pretty fun. If you guys want me to play with you, just comment your username and I'll friend you. And I guess we can play. And you guys can comment some games that I can beat. That's pretty easy or something. Or just, yeah, comment some games that I can beat. So you can comment all that stuff together if you want, or you can just comment one. But yeah. Let me just hurry up and beat this game because yeah. I bet there's one in here. One in here. Yep. See that one. That one. Am I too tall? Why am I so tall? Why am I so tall? Why does it say I have one cat? And I literally don't. Yeah, something's wrong with that, but yeah. I don't know what's the task. I'm not really sure either. There's a cat up there. Wait, I think that's the code. How do I even get up there? Do I just definitely don't do that. Oh, that's I'm so blind. I'm literally the most blindest person in the entire thing. Oh yeah. Let me just oh my gosh, what the heck? It's so slippery up there. And I just got a random cat. Where is it? Oh, it's in here. That's pretty cool, man. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Is that a Lego cat? Yep. I'm gonna call it a Lego cat. That's the key, so. I knew they were gonna have this cat in here. I knew it. Nyan. Bop. Sorry. I don't know if that's gonna get me copyrighted, but if it does, then I don't really know. But yeah, let me just hurry up and get these cats.
I mean, but regardless if you did or didn't, that's still it's true.
Are you serious? There's no cats here. I'm trying to do a montage. Oh wait, I don't even. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Oh wait a minute. Ooh, Santa cat. I love these cats. These cats are spinning. And they're so easy. I'm jumping on like level 3 yacht right now. I didn't say that, so I don't say. I said it in the comments because I didn't. Are you serious? Like, I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Anyway, wait, there's definitely a cat in here. See, it had I thought it had donuts. Oh, Burt cat. How do I get up there? Do I do this and then just boing? No. I don't do that. Okay. What? Where'd the button go? Whatever. I hate this game anyway.
I don't know, but
I really do want to play this game. Do a duck. Ducky cat.
You know who exactly.
Bucky cat. Bucky cat.
You know
Bucky cat.
you just keep putting him.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Boxical cat.
Yeah.
I really don't want to do this right now.
What happened?
I really don't.
Cause that's where I live.
But I guess I
That's where I
hit you. Ooh, are you serious? See, that's why. Oh, what the freak?
You what?
With the actual flip. With the actual flippity flip. Why am I spin jumping? Why am I jumping like that?
It's up to the dog. This ugly dog.
Doom. And then doom. What the flippity flip flops is going on? Come on, man. Doom, doom. I absolutely hate this game and this obby. Especially the obby, exactly. Never mind, let me just...
Oh, and I got my hair again.
Yeah. Are you serious? I already...
Got a little longer.
Are you serious? I just, I need a little break from this game.
But yeah. Oh, you saw
Alright.
my story.
Boom.
What? You saw my story because I remember you stood up on it. Oh, yeah.
What? I was just doing great. I memorized this. Come on. I could... Yes.
Because it's just he just.
Yes.
Well, no, actually, you right.
Yeah.
I gotta back my face up. His bites don't hurt, but if you back my face, I don't know. It might hurt. Huh? I'm
I just cracked my tablet. Are you serious right now? Like, can I just not die for a sec?
Yeah.
Please, 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 please. Yes, 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 yes. I did it. I beat it. Beating it. Wait a minute. Wait, can I just?
The one with. Oh, her. Oh, yeah. I mean, I didn't forget about her, but I just didn't know that she's talking. So it's just y'all three. Because I remember it used to be me.
I really want the slime carper right now. I'm not gonna do that. Sadly, I'm not gonna be able to beat this game today unless I want to just go. You know, screw it. Just gonna keep doing it until I finally win, I guess.
But she still live in Gloucester.
I literally am about to break this entire... I'm about to start hacking. Alright guys, I'm about to download hacks. I'll buy it to my YouTube channel. I'm just kidding. That's too far and there's nothing even down there. What's down there for me to get? Alright, let me just keep going. Is that a checkpoint? Checkpoint, I love you. Please come here. Come to Papa. Please. I am about to explode, my guy. Come on, man. I just speed ran there, bro.
They don't even follow each other at that, so how are you just like, yeah.
Screw it. I literally am about to shirt my pants right now. I'm sorry. Ah! I hate this game. I absolutely hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I'm never playing this game again after this.
Yeah.
Never playing this game. This game is too hard. You know what? Maybe I just talk too much. That's probably why. Wait. I think this is a checkpoint. What's down there though? What's down there? I can't see.
Wait, clear your camera or just turn it up real quick. You got something in here? I'm gonna game jump scared. Oh, that's him? That was recent?
Oh, I have to jump over there. No. Can you stop making me spam jump? Like,
Mm.
bro.
I
Like, bro.
find it weird
Like, bro.
that that's the only picture
Like,
of your favorite.
I keep forgetting.
These niggas is-
I did not make that noise.
She always talking about my nose, but look at her. Her nose is very big.
Boom. 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 Are you serious? I'm done with this. Oh, now it finally appears. Now it finally appears. Guess I gotta keep trying until I finally get it. I swear, if this is an easy one, then I suck at the game. I suck at every single obby, every single thing. You know what? I'm about to be done with this game. I'm about to actually break my tablet and never play
Which I was
again.
talking about, I heard that live. He was like,
I am
and they had
so
it
done.
afterwards, but
Oh, shit.